guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. If you are watching this today, Monday, also note that at noon Eastern today, which I believe would be the 13th. Oh boy. 13th or 14th? Is it the 14th? Oh no, wait, hold on. Yeah, the 13th, which is Monday. If you're watching this today, this goes up. I do have new mystery spots going up at noon Eastern on the website, and this month's mystery is epic. I mentioned that there are extras, and those will be in the ultimate kit, and I do have like a new kind of like product piece that I'm like premiering, and I'm really excited about it. It's a really amazing mystery, always exclusive art. It's a really good bang for your buck. So if you're ever going to subscribe to the mystery, if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe this month, today. You need to do it. But otherwise, let's get into this week's new releases. I am very excited about this week. It's kind of cool because I'll be having baby this week, which is just wild. And I am ready in all kinds of ways, but let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So I do have some foil for this week. The first thing that I have is a wiggle, and this is a 4-page wiggle on our matte paper, and this is a mixed metal wiggle with red and blue for the 4th of July, and I thought this was really fun. This will be on special pricing. I have to figure out the pricing because normally the matte one has 5 pages, so it'll probably be somewhat similar to what it is if you had only 4 pages, if that makes sense. So these are the date covers, and then you have the bow headers, and then also the flags and bows. I just think this is really fun and a nice way to just pull in a little bit of foil. I think if you mix this with like a silver wiggle as well, like a twinkle or a bow, it would be really fun with a 4th of July kit. Also, to go along with the 4th of July release, I'm trying to keep this week's releases simple just so that whenever I come back to fill, it's like easy-ish for me. But yeah, so this is the foil release for this week, and I just have in all 4 foils. I'll show you in silver since it's the easiest to see. There's just like a little 4th of July bucket list for you guys. Lots of really fun stuff. Take family photo, light off fireworks, kiss under fireworks, go to the fireworks, barbecue with loved ones, and play with sparklers. Obviously you could use these at other times, fireworks related things, maybe whenever you go to Disney or something like that. Don't know how fireworks are going to go this year, but we will see. I do have 3 kits this week. One I'm just did a mini kit exclusive. Did it a while ago, and then I also have 2 exclusive arts. Let's go ahead and show you guys the mini kit exclusive first. So this one is called Freedom, and I saw this art, I think it came out last year, and I didn't use it. I think it came out kind of later. But I wanted to use it this year. I just thought it was really cute, kind of like home, farmhouse chic kind of vibes. And again, this is a mini kit exclusive. The rest of them come in mini and ultimate kits, but how cute is this? Anytime there's like a golden retriever, I believe that's what that is, in a kit, it reminds me of my friend Amanda. Hi Amanda, if you're watching. And this again is a mini kit exclusive, very classic. You have your plaids in there, which is really pretty. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and last but not least, there is also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And it does have the Munchkin head freebie in there. So that is the mini kit. We are still doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. So again, that is Freedom, and it is a mini kit exclusive. Now we'll go on to our exclusive art for the 4th of July. So this is, oh my god, I'm so in love with this kit. It's so pretty, so classic. With this wiggle, I mean, there's no better pairing. Literally no better pairing. It is so stinking cute, and I'm so excited. So this is called 4th, and again, this is exclusive art, so you will not find this art anywhere else. And this does come in an ultimate and a mini, and there is a ton of a la carte options for you guys if you want to pick any of those up. So here are the full boxes, super festive, really heavy on the food, like the pool kind of vibes, and I'm really excited to use this year. Lots of white, so it makes it very like kind of modern and clean still looking, and I love the blue. My favorite sheet of the whole entire kit now is I love it. You got more food, it just looks beautiful. Like this is like impeccable drawing skills, Jess, like come on. And then you have your outfit flat lay. I'm in love with everything about this kit. It is so dang pretty. I love the colors, so classic. You have your deco here. I'm just in love with the food. It makes me so hungry for grilling food. Ugh. Grilling food is so yummy. So that is the ultimate kit. I have a feeling this one's going to be very, very popular. Ugh, I love it so much. So that is the ultimate kit. There is also the option if you want to do the mini kit, of course, and then we do have a lot of a la carte options. So we do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler if you want to add that on, glitter headers. There's also the option if you want to add on these fashion girls. They're in a super cute little swimsuit, which I think is adorable, and I love their red head. Oh, love it. And then you have fan boxes. So these are just kind of like smaller fan boxes. We've done like full page ones for a while, but I wanted to just do these since you kind of have a lot going on here. So you do have a tall and then the 2 kiddos. So this is just all 6 of the normal ones. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have lots of add-on options there. Super, super dang cute kit. And I'm like, again, the food. Like, look at that cheeseburger. Hot dog, pies, cupcakes, jello shots, strawberries, and a good old balloons. You can't go wrong with some good balloons. In love with that kit. And last but not least, I do have Pastel Pride, which is a recolor of last year's Pride kit, which you guys really like. I think I have a couple of those left in stock if you want to get the regular colorway. I think we have maybe the glitter headers, possibly, I don't know. And I think we have a couple ultimates left of that one. So this does come in an ultimate and a mini, and I just recolored last year's art. I thought last year whenever I released it, I was like, this would be really pretty in pastel. So I did recolor the art as well as like some other items like the cloud and then these stickers. I don't even know if those stickers have been released in the kit that they're from yet. That happens a lot where I'm like, those stickers are from like a future kit, but I recolored them for this kit. Like a little pen, so it's kind of like a little planner set up here, and then you have some like Polaroids with different super cute like girls in them, and then you also have like a little like lollipop, a fanny pack, a little hat, little Pride Parade like picture, the macarons, puppies, couples, girls, just different outfits and things like that. You have your extra boxes here, super cute. But like, how fun is this colorway? Definitely gives it different vibes from last year's kit while still being like rainbowy and pretty. And I think I want to use this in, no, but I was gonna say September, in June. And I don't know what foil I want to use with it yet, but I feel like Sparkly Hollow or Lavender Hollow is probably going to win. I have a feeling. And then you also have the bottom washi, which is really pretty, in the Munchkin Head freebie. So I did something kind of cool with this. So if you guys notice, the colors in here are like pink, yellow, green, and then blue to match the colors in the kit. And I really wanted there to be purple also, but I didn't want to get rid of one of those colors. So I came up with this sheet here that you can add on. If you like the colors that are in the kit, cool. If you want to add on the purple, there is 7 glitter headers. There's some half boxes, smaller boxes, fancy labels, a half box, a quarter box, like a little appointment label, ombre heart checklist, some little things, and then some solid washi that you could also use as labels. So you could totally add that on, and then it adds the purple color in, so you can kind of sprinkle it in and give more of like a rainbow vibe. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is a really pretty like marble rainbow, kind of has like a rainbow tint to it. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, there is the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is everything for this week. I am so excited about this week's kits, and I can't wait to see what you guys pick up. And like I said in my plan with me last week, if you guys didn't watch that, I probably won't have a plan with me up this week, just because this week is going to be, well, last week was super busy and this week is going to be super busy for me with having a baby. So I probably won't have a plan with me up this week. Maybe next week, I'm not sure, but don't hold me to it. Obviously, getting out your orders is going to be my top priority after taking care of my newborn and hanging out with my family. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.